Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. We are in the middle of redoing a room, which happens to be the living room down that hallway. It is taking longer than I thought. It is currently 10 o'clock on Thursday. I had to think about that. And so I did my 3 shifts for this week. So those are all done. So you may see bags underneath my eyes. Anywho, we are in the process of redoing the living room. We painted the walls. They were a green and a brown color combination, which I guess at the time was great. But right now style has changed a little bit, and I just kind of wanted to put a nice neutral white on there. And guys, if you haven't checked out the white selection of paint, there are so many different variations of it. So I wanted a certain white that was neutral, had no undertones, was warm, but not yellow. So what's near me is Home Depot and Lowe's for paint stores. But then I also have the standalone paint stores, which is the Sherwin-Williams. My mouth does not move right to pronounce that name, so I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it the way somebody else would. But I think there's a Benjamin Moore, but it's in the other town. And the reason why I say that is because Benjamin Moore has a white called Chantilly lace, and Chantilly lace is a neutral white without undertones, and it's not yellow. It does not lean to yellow whatsoever. But what I found out was I could take that paint I can take that paint to Lowe's and they can color match it. It's not going to be perfect, but it was actually what I needed. So that's what I did. So we have painted the living room walls. So welcome to day one. Day one of this room makeover is going to be prepping for painting, and if I can get it done, painting. If you can see, I've taken everything down from the walls, and I have wiped down the walls with just some water, and then I went around and spackled all the holes with this Drydex. It turns pink, or it's pink, and then it turns white when it's ready to be sanded. So once all the pink turns white, we will go around and lightly sand just to get a smooth-like finish. It's not going to be perfect. I mean, this is an old house built in 71, so it's going to have some texture to it, but we are almost ready for that first coat, which is so exciting. I am so excited about getting this room painted. Who doesn't love opening a brand new brush? There we go. It's in a wedge shape, but oh my goodness, I love opening a brand new brush. Not sponsored, I just wanted to try it out. So it should make cutting in really simple, but I am so excited. I am so I am so excited. I cannot wait to put a swatch on here, shall we? Is that not pink candy or what? Are you excited? I am. All right, I'm gonna get painting. So here, I'll show you. Well, I'll show you a little snippet. It's okay. The main video will come up very very soon as I can get it done. But here we go. See the white? I happen to really like it. I'm going to put you over here. Okay. Oh, you're up tall. Okay, so I really happen to like this white. It a little blue, I think. It's a little blue undertone, I can tell, but it's neutral. It's neutral enough for me. So a couple of things that we have to work on. We have to paint the ceiling, because the ceiling, quite frankly, it's not a smoker house whatsoever, but it has that like antique-y white that looks like a smoker ceiling. I don't know how else to say it. It's that dingy white, yellow, brown color. So we have to throw a coat up on the ceiling, and then we need to go around the trim and paint the trim, because the trim is the same color as the ceiling. So it needs a transformation for sure, to say the least. So that is on our agenda today. I want to go shopping. Of course, I want to go shopping for this room, but I need to pare down the direction that we're going to go with. I know the style I want, but I do want to pare down a couple of things. There are a couple of hard stops, non-negotiable items that have to stay in this room. We have to work around. Of course, I would like to get rid of everything and buy everything new. That's not going to happen. I live in a family. We're a family unit. We all share this room, so I have to take in everybody's considerations of what they want out of a living room. This sofa that is an interesting color choice. I don't like it, but we do have to live with it, because their plans is not to buy a new sofa at this time. Also, we can't change the floor because it's not in our radar to change yet. It will change, but not right now. So we have a neutral carpet down. So we need to figure out some carpet choices, not carpet choices, but rug choices to kind of anchor the space. So I have to somehow tie these red sofas in maroon. They're maroon. These maroon sofas into our decor. And that is a very tall order, let me tell you. I am not working with a neutral surface. This is a very strong and bold color. So we have some work cut out for us. And then also I am dying to redo a dresser that I found for the TV stand. You're actually standing on the tall TV unit. It's just like a kind of Walmart put together unit that my husband had. But it's actually kind of warping a little bit, so it needs to go. And I found a dresser that I'm going to revamp, and I'm biting at the bit. I really want to get to that point, but I can't get to that stage yet until we get the walls and the walls, the ceiling, and the baseboards all painted. That's kind of where we're at right now at this stage. I'll spin you around so you can have a peek of what the life is really like living in a makeover. So here, let me grab you. All right, you see, that's the couch I am definitely working with. I know it's kind of showing up a little maroon brown on camera. Take my word for it. I am not lying to you. That is a red maroon couch. Purple. It's a purple couch. We're not going to sugarcoat it. It's purple. And then this behemoth of a recliner too. And then here's all the stuff that was hanging on the walls. And then we've got to figure out a window covering situation. And we get to tie this all together. So we got our work cut out for us. On my days off from working, I try to be as productive as possible. Sure, I get tired sometimes, don't we all? But you only have so much time in your life. And I really want this living room to be comfortable, nice looking, because it's the first room that you see when you walk through the house. And I just, you know, I crave it to be nice. I don't feel like that's wrong. We got a lot of stuff to do. And of course, I'll go to the thrift store. Who wouldn't, right? So I think we should start with the painting, get that done. It's gonna take a couple of coats. But by time I slap the paint on the ceiling and slap the paint on the baseboard, hopefully we can go and thrift shop. Maybe. Because we just want to. That's the plan. So stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm just checking in. I just want to show you the progress so far. If you ever have any questions of whether or not you should paint your ceilings, yes. So painting it white, that was the color that it was previous. It is making a huge difference in this room. I started about 11 and it's now 12:56, so I got halfway done. I just wanted to give you a halfway update. I'm excited that I did that today and it's gonna be done and over with. So I'm gonna get back into it. Okay, remember this morning when I said it shouldn't take me that long, just a little bit of time? I lied. It's taken me all afternoon to get the ceiling done. But as you can see, it looks amazing. I don't know why I haven't done it before now. It was a total transformation. Now we're working on the trim and getting that all done. And then I'll be done today. I'll be done with the painting part and we can get on to the fun stuff, which is the decorating part. And I'm excited about that part. So we're going to get ready to do the trim work. Might take 2 coats. Let me see. All right, guys, we are done with painting the ceiling and the baseboard. So the whole base layer is done and I can't tell you how great it has turned out. I probably got paint in my face, in my hair, all over the place, but that's okay because it turned out so wonderful, so amazing. It just brought me new life to do that. I know that sounds crazy. It's just paint, but my goodness, it transformed this room. It's so light and bright now, and it's gonna turn out wonderful, and I'm so excited about it. So our next step is another non-negotiable item in the living room. Something that we have to have because my husband likes it, my son likes it. So we have the light fixture, but it is also a fan as well. And I know you can either be team fan or team light, but I guess we are team fan. So the fan that we have is a great fan. It doesn't make noise, it doesn't wobble. The finish is this brush gold. So we're losing light pretty fast. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. And then hopefully tomorrow we can start putting some of the room back together. Now, I'm going to flip you around. Ignore the mess because when you paint, you mess. But I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to show you our next project. So right now, what you're looking at is the TV. And you can see me as well. Hi internet. Anyway, you see the TV in this big brown box. This TV stand is a very budget friendly TV stand and it ain't doing it for us. It's not doing it for me. The TV, the behemoth of the TV, number one, is huge. We had to modify this structure just to house the TV onto something. So I got a dresser free from the trash, actually. That is a good dresser that we are going to change into a TV stand. So that is going to be our next project. But in the meantime, we can start getting this room together.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand.
So guys, I just realized that I did not even do an outro to this video, so I apologize. But I hope you enjoy the behind the scenes of getting this room ready for the video. And as you can see, it is loved and enjoyed by the whole family. But please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video. And if you want to see me behind the scenes, follow me at oakandIron_designs at Instagram. So I'll link a couple of videos on the screen if you would like to follow along on this journey. But you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.